is Harmony and welcome back to my channel. So today we got a package from YoYo Lipgloss and they sent us these super jumbo squishies. So they came out with a new squishy. It is super jumbo, so that is why I'm here to show you guys. Just so you guys know that YoYo Lipgloss is the one that makes the Squeezeables. So here's how big the squishy is. It's like bigger than my head. And I believe you can find these at Walmart and Walgreens. And you can definitely find them at Justice because if you see in our vlogs, they have a bunch there. So here's the poop emoji. And I believe these are all emojis. So this is the first one. And then let's see, we got the cat emoji. And I will take this out. I'm just squishing it in the bag for you guys. Look how big. It's like so big. And then we got the monkey emoji. So hard to squish. And then we got the unicorn emoji. And these are $16.90. Just so you guys know. So I am going to open this poop up, the super jumbo squishy up. And then I'm going to compare them to just the jumbo ones. So let me open this up. Ouch. Whoa, look at that. So here's the super jumbo and here's one of the jumbos. Oh my goodness, look at that. So this is the super jumbo and this is just a regular jumbo one. They are almost the same size, but like the poop has to be bigger because like it is super jumbo. And then here's a comparison with the narwhal. So yeah. So I'm just gonna squish the poop. Pretty slow rising. Oh, it smells really good. It smells like when you walk into a bakery. Okay, so next I'm gonna open the unicorn up. Open. Ooh, so here's the unicorn. It's a bit softer. So we got a golden unicorn horn, and I really love the hair. Really pink. And the eyes are just like super blue. So I'm gonna compare it. Let's see. Okay, so they are like almost the same size here. The narwhal, the unicorn's bigger. So the next squishy is the cat emoji, as you can see. And I really love how the eyes are just so big and realistic. Ooh, so here's the cat. Let's see, it was squish. Whoa. Oh, this one kind of smells like caramel. Caramel or caramel. Ooh, that smells good. And then lastly, we have the monkey emoji, and it's a purple monkey emoji. And the eyes are just so big. Open it up. Whoa, look how cool it is. So big. Ooh, this smells good. It smells like bread. Alright guys, that was it for this video, and thank you so much YoYo Lipgloss for sending us these amazing squishies. And And let me know what you guys' favorite squishy was from the squishy package. So that is it for this video. Please like, and also you can find these at Justice, Walmart, and Walgreens. Please like, subscribe, and comment down below what you guys want us to do in the next video. Bye!